It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life.
What's up, everybody? What's going on? I hope all of y'all are doing undeniably fan-freaking-tastic out there. So, are you doing fan-freaking-tastic?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi,
to
I'm
people.
Carter.
Yep, this is Carter.
I'm Lavinator's girlfriend.
Yep. Thank you for clearing that up. So, you people in the comment section, y'all mind your manners, alright? So, y'all be nice.
Be nice, please.
So-
I'm sensitive.
Yeah. Anyway, I noticed you noticed the SelfStandard plank. Got some merch going on right here.
Get yours at APW today. Or Friday.
Yeah, I'm not trying to sell these online yet. But yeah, so today I'm going to be doing like a very, 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 very big challenge here.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I have my own personal challenge, but there's two challenges going on at the same time right now. Alright, so these chickens right here, these wings right here, they're boneless, thankfully.
Yes.
They have been doused in the alleged hottest sauce in the vicinity.
Yeah.
What kind of sauce is this?
It's Thai beef sauce. It has pepper X extract in it.
Yeah, it's pepper X extract in it.
Yeah. So, I got my emergency milk. Got my emergency bread. That's the yeast of my worries. So, at the count of three,
We're counting down.
Oh, let's do that.
counting up rather.
Yeah.
As soon as I say three, both of us are gonna try to eat that chicken. Okay. And whoever drinks first loses. That's our challenge, but my challenge is to last at least a minute after consumption.
What did I get myself into?
You volunteered.
My lips are on fire.
Did you eat part of it?
I ate off of the one that was coming before that.
Alright. So,
Remember, you don't have to eat the whole thing.
What if it's good and I want to?
Then you can.
Okay. It's not gonna-
I'll just go through one bite first and then we'll go.
It's not going to be good and I'm not going to want to.
This won't hurt.
Okay.
I like how he's nervous for me to do it.
We're going to keep this as even as possible, so if you only do one bite, I'm only going to do one bite. Okay?
Okay.
So, one, two, three. What do you think? One more?
Not right now.
Screw it, I'm doing one more.
Me too. Don't eat that.
Is that all you got?
You felt like you didn't just have a freak out.
No? Either that or it hasn't hit yet. But, minute starts now, I guess. Okay, it took a minute. Okay, it took a second. It's like it's haunted. What did you say was in this?
Thai beef. Pepper X extract.
20 seconds in so far.
It was good.
Thank you.
Yeah?
By the way, the base sauce on it, the sweetness that's in there, that is mango habanero. The spice is a mixture of the habanero, but mostly it's pepper X extract because it's just straight liquid. How you holding up, babe?
High five.
It's not a minute.
y'all want to finish it off with the last bite?
No. My eyes are watering.
You give up yet?
No. I'm Laminator's girlfriend. I can handle smell. No, I can't. Are you okay? You can drink if you need to.
Not until you do it.
You want to give in on 3?
Huh?
You want to give in on 3? 1, 2, 3. Fuck you. I hate you.
2 minutes.
It was worth it. You lasted longer than me, technically.
I was wondering, like, if it had not kicked in, I was gonna be concerned. Wait, did I put the pepper on the wrong one? Give y'all the wrong one?
It was good.
But I'm definitely feeling it still. Oh Lord.
Yeah, it's gonna take.
We might have to do an extended cut about me freaking out in the front yard because I'm about to do that.
The milk.
Oh!
Did that not help?
Oh!
What just happened?
What just happened? Are you okay?
It's like the bread. Whoa.
It's like the bread?
It's like it got worse.
Yeah, it got worse after I drank milk.
It got worse once the bread came.
That's not supposed to happen.
Okay. I know punk. Feels like I'm going blind at this time. What the heck?
Yeah, make
You
sure
might have gotten sauce in it.
No, he would be dying right now. He's sweating really bad.
Ugh.
What about you, babe? How you holding up?
It hurts!
Squeebs?
Ooh boy. Oh boy.
Killer, it's okay. I'm crying.
I think I survived most of it.
You survived most of it.
Yeah.
With only 3 wings on.
Shh. That never happened.
Babe, you want to try another one of
No, thank you.
If you want to see the extended cut about everything else that happened previously to this, go check out the Waminator's channel.
Link it.
In due time. It may not be available by the time I get this posted. I don't know. Just stay patient. But yeah. Until next time, make sure you burn outrageously optimistic. No. Make sure you be outrageously optimistic year round. Booyah. I'm out.